Black hole, one of the universe's most mysterious and destructive forces, is on a direct collision course with Earth. What would actually happen? Would we even stand a chance? Or is it an instant game over for all of us? Let's dive into this mind-bending cosmic catastrophe. First, let's get one thing straight. The odds of this happening are incredibly small. The nearest known black hole is thousands of light years away. But for the sake of science and a little bit of thrilling speculation, let's say one is headed our way. What's the first sign we'd get? It wouldn't be a giant black circle appearing in the sky. Black holes are, by definition, black. They don't emit light. We'd likely detect it through its gravitational effects on other celestial bodies. Astronomers would notice stars and distant galaxies behaving strangely, their light bending and distorting as if seen through a cosmic magnifying glass. This effect is called gravitational lensing. We'd see multiple warped images of distant stars, a clear sign that something incredibly massive is passing in front of them. As the black hole gets closer, say, to the edge of our solar system, things start to get really wild. Its immense gravity would begin to wreak havoc. First, it would disturb the Oort cloud, a massive shell of icy comets far beyond Pluto. This would send a deadly barrage of comets and asteroids hurtling towards the inner solar system, including Earth. We'd be facing a celestial bombardment on an unprecedented scale, long before the black hole itself even arrives. It would be like the universe was playing a game of cosmic billiards, and Earth is right in the pocket. Then, as it moves further in, past the orbits of Neptune and Uranus, the giant planets themselves would be in trouble. Their orbits would become unstable. They might be flung out of the solar system entirely or sent on a collision course with other planets. Imagine watching Jupiter, the guardian of our solar system, being tossed around like a toy. The beautiful, orderly dance of our planets would descend into complete chaos. Now for the main event, the black hole reaching Earth's neighborhood. What happens next depends on the size of the black hole. If it's a supermassive black hole, like the one at the center of our galaxy, we wouldn't even make it to the getting close part. Its gravitational influence would be so vast that it would have disrupted our entire galaxy long before reaching us. So let's assume it's a smaller stellar mass black hole, maybe a few times the mass of our sun. Even so, the outlook is grim. As it approaches Earth, the side of our planet closer to the black hole would experience a much stronger gravitational pull than the far side. This difference in force is called a tidal force. It's the same force that causes ocean tides, but scaled up to an apocalyptic level. This immense stretching force would literally tear our planet apart. The crust would fracture, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions of a magnitude we can't even comprehend. The atmosphere would be stripped away, and the oceans would boil into space. Earth would be stretched and pulled into a long, thin stream of matter, a process horrifyingly known as spaghettification. This stream of rock, gas, and everything that ever was on Earth would then spiral into the black hole. As the matter accelerates towards the event horizon, the point of no return, it would heat up to millions of degrees, releasing an incredible amount of energy in the form of X-rays and gamma rays. From a safe distance, Earth's final moments would be a brilliant, blinding flash of light, a final cosmic firework before being extinguished forever. So, could we survive? The short and perhaps disappointing answer is no. There's no technology we could ever conceive of that could stop or divert a black hole. We couldn't nuke it, we couldn't push it away. Its gravity is a fundamental force of nature. Our best and only hope would be to detect it centuries, or even millennia in advance. This would give humanity a fighting chance to become an interstellar species, to build generation ships and flee our solar system, seeking a new home among the stars. It would be the ultimate exodus, a desperate race against cosmic annihilation. So, the next time you look at the stars, remember the incredible forces at play in our universe. While a black hole collision is thankfully just a thought experiment, it reminds us of how fragile our existence truly is in the grand cosmic scheme. Thanks for watching this cosmic journey with me. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mysteries. Remy signing off, stay safe and stay curious. See you next time.